Let's understand our next type of tissue, that is columnar tissue. Columnar tissue is also called columnar epithelial tissue. I have told you what is the meaning of epithelium. Epi means above, thelium means to grow. So these type of tissues are much longer, elongated. You just see in the diagram. They are longer but not broad. Their shape is column or pillar like. They are polygonal in shape. Right? Nucleus is also present in this type of tissue. If we talk about its function, then they are protective, secretory, absorptive, and sensory in function. What is the location of columnar epithelium tissue? This tissue is found lining the alimentary canal and sensory organs. Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is what? Actually, alimentary canal starts from mouth and ends with anus. We can say that alimentary canal is a pathway of the digestive system. This is complete structure of alimentary canal. In digestive system, we will separately study alimentary canal. So, this columnar epithelial tissue is present in alimentary canal and sensory organs. Sensory organs, you know that skin, eye, ear, nose is known as sensory organs. Now move towards the next heading, that is pseudostratified epithelium. These tissues are divided into two types. They are number 1 long pillar like tissue and number 2 small triangular tissue. Means we can say that in the pseudostratified tissue there are two type of tissues seen togetherly. Long pillar like cells or tissues are broad on the free surface and narrow down towards the basement membrane. If we talk about the small triangular, then it seems to be two layered but actually single layered. They are, here I am going to explain you that this is a triangular shape, small, it is a small triangular, see carefully, small triangular, and second type long, this is pillar like. So it is having two types, long pillar like and small triangular type. What is the main function of pseudostratified tissue? They are protective in function, and where they found in the animal body, they found lining the trachea and bronchi. What is trachea? Neck contain a ring-like structure. It is called trachea, and this trachea is further divided into the lungs. This primary or secondary structure is called bronchi. So we will here observe that the pseudostratified tissues are found in trachea and bronchi. Clear? Now let's move towards the next heading, that is ciliated epithelial tissue. Here I would like to ask an question that what happens when you catch a cold or when you breathe in dust? Answer is you sneeze. Why? Because there is ciliated epithelium tissue prompts your sneeze and also help to keep you healthy in other important ways. So what is the main function of this epithelium tissue? Actually these ciliated tissue, these ciliated tissue are made up of the word cilia. Cilia means hair-like structure. Hair-like structure, very small follicles. They are hair-like structure that sit on the top of the tissue. It is its diagram. These are cilia and this is tissue. Its surface is containing cilia, right? So they wave back and forth to help moving the things. These type of tissues are present in the lining of your respiratory tract or tubes that leads to your lungs, and also found in the fallopian tube of women. Fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is a female reproductive part where fertilization takes place, right? Here I have also explained that what is fallopian tube. The tubes that connects the ovary where the egg are kept to uterus when the egg is fertile. The cilia help moving an egg from the ovary into the uterus each month. Here I have explained with the help of diagram the basal body, and these are the back and forth beating of the cilia. They like this, they waves like that. Movement of cilia is like wave, right? Now let's move towards the next type of epithelium tissue, that is glandular tissue. As you already understanding this word, that glandular, so it is made up of glands. Those tissues which are forming the glands is made up of glandular epithelium tissues. The type of epithelium that forms the glands from the enfolding of epithelium. Their function: production of secretion, produce specific product. That product will be water based, fluid, aqueous, or usually contain some protein. We can also say that glands secretes hormones and chemicals. For example, our sweat glands secretes sweat, oil glands secrete oils, pituitary gland secrete growth hormone, and so on. Number of glands are made up of glandular epithelium tissues. And what is the main location of these glandular epithelium? Where the glands are there, the glandular epithelium tissues are present. This diagram is not given in your book. I have make it easy that this is duct, this is glandular epithelium and the secretory units. By that the secretion will take place. Right? So this is all about the first type of simple epithelium tissue based upon the shape of the cells. In our next video, we will discuss the simple epithelium tissue based on the functions. Right? Thank you and have a nice day.